Here we are in Dana Point Harbor at the Embarcadero, getting ready to launch our 17-foot 485 Chianti Reflex. Notice how nice and easy she goes into the water. This is going to be a great day to take her on out. Here we are viewing the 485 Reflex Chianti sitting dockside here in Dana Point Harbor. We see this vessel is optioned with the Windlass. Coming down along the side, we see we've got nice slash windows, curved windshield right there, bimini with curtains included forward, and if you notice, we've got rocket launchers and rod racks right there. Coming down from this side, when we enter the vessel, we have a nice teak step area right there. Back here, we have our Mercury 4-stroke 90 horsepower engine. And in there, there's a little tank. This gives us a nice overview of the spaciousness of the cockpit. We have seating for 4 in comfort, and we're going to jump on board. Now, one feature of this, if you notice, the gunnel is nice and high, hits you mid-thigh or higher. There's our removable seats in the back, and we have a 4-step boarding ladder. All of our vessels come equipped with the ski pylon right here, which is removable, and a table, bait table, sandwich table, whatever. I want you to hear how quiet that 4-stroke Mercury engine is. We have this one equipped with a stainless steel prop. As we circle around, we see we've got gunnel storage on both sides. The vessel does come with cockpit carpet. We have some of it out right now. Storage under the seats. Now, if you saw us out on the sea trial, we were out bouncing around. I will say these seats are very well padded and act as nice shock absorbers. Coming forward, here at the helm, we see we've got a nice padded steering wheel, our Simrad system right there with multi-functions, our Mercury engine systems right there, VHF radio, and a Fusion stereo. This Simrad Go 7 unit, it's multi-function. We've got a chart plotter, depth sounder, bottom structure. Let's see what else. We don't have radar here. There's a navigation screen right there with an electronic compass. Instrument panel. Multi-split screen right there. From here, notice I was out driving. I've got a nice solid grab rail right here. And then our passenger also has a nice grab rail. Now, we've got a little cuddy cabin there with gunnel storage and room for a porta-potty underneath. Just a small little cabin, great place to get out of the sun for kids. When we want to access the bow, we open the window, flip this open, and there we are. Easy access to our windlass right there. This Chianti 485 is value priced. Trailers included, electronics are included. Viewer today, owner tomorrow. Be on the water next week. Thank you. Here we are in Dana Point Harbor. We're going to go out to open ocean for a test drive on this 485 Chianti by Reflex. And this is our Mercury engine control system right here. Shows the RPMs, trim tabs, battery voltage, fuel usage, and more. Some of the options that we have on this boat are the windlass. We can also add a colored hull and underwater lights for time. All right, so here we are. We're doing about 5.8 miles per hour in a cross current here. I'm going to bring her up to plane. Here we go. Hold on. Check on the maneuverability of this. We've got a balloon here in the water, one of the Mylar ones, and my associate Luke is going to see if he can grab it. And if you notice, one of the reasons why he was able to do that is because the height of the gunnel. Most boats you wouldn't do that, but in this 17-footer, we have an extra high gunnel, so you can perform things like that. Not sure you want to be picking up trash, but if that was your youngster or a big sea bass, you'd want to be able to bring her on board. All right. And again, let's bring it up to plane. Let's watch our numbers. And this is the view from the helm. Is just suppose it's the middle of the day, we want to take a little time for ourselves. What are we going to do? We're going to open the center hatch. Open the center portion of the bow. Step step out there, and using the windlass, we'll drop our anchor.